Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail punch. First, select a large punch bowl or dispenser. Next, choose your base spirit, such as rum, vodka, or gin. Then, gather your fresh fruits, various juices, and a carbonated mixer like sparkling water or ginger ale. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for your guests. Now, let's craft the base of your punch. Pour your selected spirit into the punch bowl, followed by your fruit juices. Consider using a ratio of 1 part spirit to 2 or 3 parts juice for a balanced flavor. Add any sweeteners, like simple syrup or a dash of a complementary liqueur. Stir everything well to combine, creating a harmonious foundation. To enhance both flavor and presentation, it's time for the finishing touches. Add sliced fresh fruits like oranges, lemons, and berries directly into the punch. Fresh herbs such as mint or rosemary can also provide a delightful aroma. Place a large ice block or an ice ring in the bowl to keep your punch perfectly chilled without diluting it too quickly. Garnish generously for a beautiful display. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious cocktail punch. Just before your guests arrive, gently pour in your carbonated mixer, like sparkling wine or soda, to maintain its fizz. Provide a sturdy ladle and small, elegant glasses for easy self-service. Remember to keep extra ice and fresh garnishes on hand so everyone can enjoy a perfectly chilled and beautifully presented drink throughout your gathering. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.